This hair from AliPearl is really giving fresh sew-in and I'm loving it. So let's get into the unboxing and the details on this hair. Now let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. And first of all, I'm loving this gold box. It definitely makes a statement, and along with the hair, I got some goodies as well. The hair I got is their 18-inch V-part body wave wig. One thing I love is that it actually came curled and ready to go. It's super nice quality and it's nice and shiny, and it comes with an elastic band and clips for security. Now let's go ahead and get into the install. I'm going to be doing a middle part, and I already braided my hair down. I went ahead and clipped the wig on. And then I just took out my braids because I'm going to be blow drying my hair just to blow it out and get it to really blend in with the wig. And I left out my middle section, and I also left out around the perimeter in the front, just because, you know, if the wind blows, you want to make sure that you are covered and you good to go. I did wet it just a little bit to make it easier to blow dry and comb through. And I'm going to be applying some heat protectant to those areas, and I'm also going to be trying out this Color Wow product that you're supposed to spray on your hair, and it's supposed to help your hair like last and not revert back as easily. Lastly, I just used this Chi oil to just get my hair nice and slick. Now I'm just using my blow dryer on a high heat setting to just blow out all of my leave out. After I finished blowing out my hair, I just went in with my straightening brush to just straighten my hair out. And I love using this thing because you can get really close to like your edges and your roots without burning yourself. And after that, I just went over it again with my flat iron, and I'm going to be doing this same process to the rest of my leave out. Then I just went in and sectioned off the front of my hair because I just wanted to add like a few layers in the front to frame my face. Nothing too crazy. Now I'm going in with my curling iron, and I'm just going to be adding like some big bombshell curls. And this has been my favorite way to wear like straight and body wave hair. I just love me some big like voluminous curls. After I'm done curling the wig, I went in with my flat iron and just curled my leave out. And I like using my flat iron to do this because the curling iron is a little bit too big for my hair. Like my hair doesn't wrap around it because it's not long enough. So I just use my flat iron and I curl my leave out. And then after that, I'm just gonna comb it all together. Now I'm going in with this wax stick and I'm just going to be using this like on the top of my hair to lay down any flyaways. And I love this wax stick. I use this pretty much for every install. Then I'm going in with some edge wax to lay my edges. Then I just took a wide tooth comb and just kind of combed the curls out really lightly. And my hair was blending in with this hair so nicely. And usually I'm a little worried about body wave hair, but this one definitely mimics like a silk press. So I just played around with the hair a little more until I got it how I wanted it. And y'all gonna see on my face, like I was in love with the hair, like maybe like a week and a half since I did this install, and I still have the hair in. Like this is definitely about to be my go-to wig. Alright y'all, so here is the finished look and I am absolutely in love with this hair. It's definitely giving fresh sew-in, fresh silk press, and my hair just blends in with it so well. And I definitely miss like a nice install with leave out because I have been wearing like lots of closures and stuff lately, but nothing beats a fresh leave out style. So I definitely recommend checking this wig out. And again, it is from AliPearl and this is their V-part body wave wig in 18 inches. I have all of the information for this hair down in my description box, so definitely check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.